Hello and welcome to my channel Creative Gaming. My name is Dorothea and today you are watching my series called Basic, and this is episode 2 of Paint.net for beginners. Today I will tell you how to install Paint.net so you can get started. Either you right now go down in the description in my video, the video you're watching right now, or my old video, where there will be a link for Paint.net so you can download it from Google, really simple. But in my case, I just search Paint space net, because if you just search, well, I'm gonna show you real quick. If you just search Paint.net where there's the dot, then you will get to this page, and I don't know, it's just a page for Paint that I don't trust. It's not where you can get the program. So if you get to that page, just go delete the dot so you don't have that. And you have two possibilities. Either you go to the official Paint.net page and click download, and then you should be able to click on things here and download. But I know not all computers are happy about that, because that if you go push the links where you would, they have updated this one so you actually can get it for free, but there are some times where you just get pushed into the Windows Store where, it's not exactly cheap. It's not that expensive, but you can get it for free. So if you don't get this page up, then you just go to this page where you can click on this button, and then you get it for Windows. The same way as you would in here. So you just click and you get the installer and click save. And then when you have the installer, you just agree to that, and then it starts downloading. And right now everything is in Danish for me. But because it's an English series, I'm actually gonna download Paint.net on English, so I have an easier time teaching you. Right now it's preparing the install, which can take a second or two. Removing previous version, which is nice. And then you can support us by buying it there. But it's not worth it buying it because it's not a that good program. But for those basic things that I will teach you, it's nice to have. And now Paint.net has installed, so you can just click finish, and then Paint.net should open up. And I still have it in Danish. Nice. But that's basically it. Really simple, really nice. And then you should be good to go.